Hello everyone, today let's talk about how to place blind and buried wires in a PCB. When we are working on a high density multi-layer boards, using only regular through holes can be a problem. They take up too much space and make routing harder. That's where blind wires and buried wires come in. They let us connect signal between specific layers, reduce the number of through holes, and give us more flexibility in routing. First thing to note, you can't place blind or buried wires on one layer or two-layer boards because there are no inner layer. So we need to switch the PCB to at least 4 layers. How to do this? Go to Tools, Layer Manager, change the Cooper layers to 4, then click Apply, and then Confirm. Next, go to the Design Rules, and look for the blind buried wires settings. How we can define different wire types. For example, create one with top layer to inner layer 1. Create another with inner layer 2. Bottom layer. Once you set them up, hit Apply and then Confirm. Now we are ready to actually place blind buried wires. Click on the Wire tool to place a wire. By default, the software will place a through hole wire. So just click the wire, open the Properties panel, change the type to blind buried wire, and then pick the wire type you created earlier with correct start and end layers. Finally, assign it to a net, for example, change it to VCC. And that's it. You will place a blind or buried wire. To check, you can drop another normal wire, connect them with a chest, and you'll see that they connect correctly inside inner layer 1. There's another situation when you are routing and you switch layers. By default, they still place a through hole wire. If you want to place a blind wire first when switching layers, here's how. Go to Place, General, scroll down to the routing section, and check the option Prefer blind buried wires. Click Apply, then Confirm. Now let's test it. Switch to the inner layer 1. Press the keyboard shortcut, for example, number 1 key. Change layers while routing. You'll see it automatically places a blind wire, and the connection is done. So that's the full workflow for blind buried wires. Set your board to 4 layers. Define blind buried wire types in Design Rules. Place wires and set their properties to blind buried. Optional, let the software auto-place blind wires when you switch layer while routing. This way, you can make your high-density boards more flexible, reduce the number of through holes, and improve overall layout efficiency.